slime DIY, and this is already set up. Ta-da! That's it. So let's get on with the video. I love this present so much because, as you can see, I've already made 2 examples. So this one I named Yellow Magic because they call me by this sticker who it's made by, and it's basically this yellow slime, obviously because it's Yellow Magic, and with pink glitter, and it's so nice. I absolutely love this slime, and it's super stretchy. So yeah, but then I'm really going to be involved today. So yeah, and this is slime I just made actually. It's just pink and pink glitter. But it's a bit sticky still because you need to knead it a lot. But I needed to get on with this video away from me. So I didn't have time to knead it in my hands. But anyway, that's the example, how it's kind of going to turn out like even. So yeah, of course we can't make any little bit of slime without the reason why I'm whispering is because I'm saying his name out loud. She'll just do that and it'll go terribly wrong. So yeah, Alexa, pick any random colour.
Here is a colour. Owl, English.
What's that? It's like red because it's really red as like a Union Jack or something, but I don't know what that is. So Alexa, pick a random colour.
Here is a colour. Neon fuchsia.
What? I'm gonna have all of these by the way, guys. Amazing. What is neon fuchsia? Comment down below if you know what any of these are, because so far I don't have a clue. Alexa, pick a random colour.
Here is a colour. Lavender magenta.
Lavender. So I guess lavender is kind of purpley, so I use this colour. So bye and hello. So what I'm gonna have to do now. Oh, I still digging for the last thing. I made it. So I'm just gonna pour in my water halfway to the fill line. All of it. Okay, that's enough. That's bang on actually. So yeah. Now, so Alexa, she's haunted, guys. She's haunted. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the bag because I need to put it into my thing. Slime, water. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Why isn't this working? Come on. Come on, I was going to sit here like this, wait for it to all come out because it's going to take a while. You know what, why don't I just do the simplest way? I'm so real and play. Okay, now I'm going to get my spatula, which it comes with, and mix it. Oh my god, that was on. Oh my god, my leg. I'm so crazy on that. Not really. Okay. Stir. 1 hour later. Stir. Still stirring. Do you know what? I'm not just going to keep doing that. I'm going to put the spoon down. Get this. Put it on. And mix like this. Simple as pie. Potty. I didn't say simple as peeing in the potty. I know it's simple to pee on the potty. But I'm sure you people don't pee on the potty. Then these 2 slimes. This slime, which is probably going to be finished, well, I've finished it, you get to comment down below which one is your favourite. So these, wait a second, working. These ones are like, let me just come up with it. Okay, not like this. I don't know if you can see that. They haven't got nothing in it apart from the glitter and the colouring and stuff like that. But it comes with like, like little carrots. So I'm going to put one in this one. And I think I'm going to put in a mermaid. Here we go. I'm going to slip that in. And then in 1 minute, I'm going to add in some glitter. Oh, wait. Come on. Oh, it's nearly 6 o'clock right now. It's currently 5:54. So, yeah, got like 6 more minutes until 6 o'clock. Wait, I've got my bedtime really. Or 6, I don't know, what 2 hours. These are the best, literally. It's like, one of the best. Now this needs to hurry up, because this ain't working. But it has worked. Oh, it looks nice. I just like crunching it. And also, those of you who don't know what supers are, supers, and say cough sweets, they basically look exactly like these. So you can put them in a super packet and go, teacher, I need to use these, and you're like, okay, these are proof that they actually are them. I'm not a colour. Then you just beating fruit tellers all the time in class time. So, you know what, there's actually teachers in my school watching this, and I want to tell my secret. Oh, I'll just cough, and then hopefully, why do I keep telling them this? You know, I'm just gonna not say it anymore about sneaking things into class. Finally. Come on! Okay, I think I might have enough glitter now. Oh yeah, definitely. No, I'm gonna add in all of this. Whee, glittery. It's gonna be a glittery slime, definitely. Got loads in it. I poured all of it in, and there's quite a lot in there. I think I should love that, to be honest with you. Oh my gosh, that actually looks pretty nice. Probably won't pick on the camera. Well, let's try and make it focus. Yeah, that looks nice, doesn't it? This is what I've been doing. I've been putting it on the table just like, you know, and then just been stirring. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. You didn't see me coming. You up so I can see myself. Oh my god, that looks much better. Now I can actually see myself. Well, I've been running for 8 minutes 57 seconds. Keeps going up, so I'll just say that because that's what it was. And I said that. I don't know what that noise was then, but it was, I don't have a clue what that was. But anyway, oh my god, I've been running for like 9 minutes. Oh my gosh. Why did this slime? This is the thing about this slime. Turns out, best slime ever. But then when you're making it, it takes like 10 minutes to make. So, yeah, it's gonna be my speed business. I don't want to break it. That's it. Okay, come on, has it worked? Starting to, yes, it's starting to work. Wait 1 more minute, I'll just look at the clock again. Okay, come on. 1 minute, come on. 1 minute, I want to do 1 minute because probably in 1 minute we're going to be done. Ow. Okay, you know what? 1 minute, don't matter. I think maybe like 50 seconds. Time. 50 seconds, time. Yeah, okay. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, again. I think I'm just gonna get it out. Like, so what? What could happen to me? Ugh. It's fell out. No. Okay. Let's get this out. Get it in the tub and start cleaning. But before I end this video, I'm gonna have to ask Alexa. Oh no! The phone started ringing, everyone, in the middle of a YouTube video. This has never happened before. Oh well, everyone. But yeah, I was just gonna say, what colour? No! Oh my god! What colour pot to use? Well, I've only got one choice, which is the turquoise one. But I'll tell you what I shall do. Show you all 3 of my slimes that I made from my So Slime DIY. And just immediate, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I love this slime kit so much. And I've got lots more little pouches left. So when these go bad or something, like hard or something, I'll be able to use this kit again. So thank you so much, Amelia. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the slime I made just in this video right now. Okay, are you ready? Da, da, da. By the way, if you want, I was wondering what that hard thing is in here. It's like a stick thing. This was in my slime. Oh well, so what's the slime there? This is amazing, I love it. Oh, it's sticky. And then get off my finger. And this is this lovely neon pink one. There. The yellow one is blue. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in my next video.